YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Danny P. If you're new here, welcome. I film all types of content dealing with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So if you like to watch that type of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I let Instagram choose my next hairstyle. I recently did have the pop smoke braids. I was holding on to that hairstyle for dear life, but it was time to take it out. That's why y'all see my hair looking like this. I chose from all you guys' suggestions to do the Fulani braids. Okay, so that's what we are doing today, y'all. This is not a tutorial at all. If you're interested in watching me achieve this hairstyle, make sure you stay tuned. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be using for this hairstyle. So of course, we have your Got to Be Glued free spray. We have your Shine and Jam. Guys, I really love opening a new fresh jar of like hair products. Oh, it's just so satisfying. We also have a rat tail comb, of course, definitely gonna need this. I bought some beads. I have my wrap strip from when I set everything. I have my mousse edge control when it's time to lay these edges, and also a mirror. So guys, I'm going to wash and condition my hair, and I'm also going to blow dry it, and I'll see you guys when I'm about ready to start. Hey guys, excuse me if I look a little tired, y'all. I was up all night. My hair is all blown out, guys. I am definitely gonna give credit to the YouTuber that I learned this hairstyle from. Her name is Styles by Michael or Mikal. Probably Michael. So if you really want an in-depth tutorial, definitely go to her channel. So let's get started. So freaking hard. This is about to be the hardest shit ever. So my camera's about to die, and this parting process is about to be very, very long. So I'm gonna charge my camera, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we got some shit popping with my hair. Hey y'all, update. I have done more than half of the back of my hair. Let me let y'all know something. I have been freestyling. The rat tail comb has not been incorporated in the parting. If it look rough, don't come for me, because this is literally my first time doing this hairstyle. Like, you really have no right to come for me if you are gonna come for me, so don't come for me. This is what I have going on so far. Hopefully they look neat enough. Let's continue. Hopefully I can finish really soon. So I am finally done with the whole back of my hair. Let me take a look at it. Whoa, what? Honestly, it's not that bad. It's not perfect though, but I'm not even about to stress myself out about being a perfectionist, because who has time? So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the front. I lost my rat tail comb, y'all. I can't find it nowhere, and I just had it. I found it. Is that pretty straight? Yeah, that's gonna have to be. Ooh, y'all, this is so weird. Okay, I got this. It's just kind of hot in here, and I'm a little nervous. Yo, this is actually, this is actually kind of difficult. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. It's hot. It's hot. All right. I'm having technical difficulties. Let me see if I can get one side done, and then we can come back to each other, because right now,
A few moments later.
I am 3 braids in. Liking it so far. They're not gonna be as small as I wanted them to be, because honestly, I can't really braid that small, but I still do have faith in them. I think they're gonna be cute. If you hear something in the background, it is definitely my fan, because I definitely got not playing with y'all folks. But yes, y'all, let's get to it. Okay.
You perfect girl. You connect with my world. Angel.
my hair. These are turning out really small. I don't really know how that happened, but hopefully I can do the same thing I did on this side on this side. I am definitely liking it so far. I cannot wait to add the beads because I feel like the beads are really gonna bring it to life for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and I'll see you guys when I'm all cute and ready to show y'all the finished product. Well, there you have it, guys. My hair is finally complete. Oh my gosh, y'all, this hairstyle took quite a long time. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So if you're thinking about doing this, make sure you prepare yourself for all the time you about to spend on your hair. I am super happy with the results. I do see one flaw, which is kind of in the front, like this braid kind of looks like one fat ass braid, but it's really, they're really just close together. Like that's really all it is. But other than that, I really like it. I like the choice of beads. Like I like how it's all colorful. I think it's super cute. It's so lightweight, and I really like the fact that it is my real hair. Like that really tops it off, no lies. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this hairstyle? If you like this hairstyle, if you don't like this hairstyle, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. And thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.